I've got a short but important episode for you this week. I recently purchased these Kastar batteries for a GoPro Hero3 Black Edition. However, you can see that the battery has fully charged, and I'll place it on the GoPro. You'll notice the panel on the battery initially indicates a full charge with 3 bars of power, but quickly fades all the way down to nothing. The price was difficult to pass up, providing 2 batteries and a charger for under $20 US. Unfortunately, I can't do anything with batteries that die in less than 2 minutes. I will say, the charger does work quite well with genuine GoPro batteries. Now, I'm not broadly saying avoid all Kastar products, that would be unfair. However, I would exercise caution when considering batteries for legacy hardware. The strange part is when placing it back on the charger, it registers nearly a full charge. I'm not a big reviewer, I'm not a big anything, but I wished that I would have had this information before I made my purchase. I hope you found this episode before clicking the buy button. We'll see you next time.